Hello students, in this video we are going to learn one of the important concept, square root of a complex number. Okay, we are going to get one of the important VSAQ problem from this concept. Okay, let us see. So how to find square root of a complex number? We know each and every complex number will be in the form of either a plus iota b or a minus iota b. So by using these two formulas we can find square root of any complex number. If it is in the form of a plus iota b, use this formula, square root of a plus iota b equals to plus or minus root over a square plus b square plus a whole divided by 2 plus iota into root over a square plus b square minus a whole divided by 2. Similarly, we can write formula for square root of a minus iota b. Same formula, if you observe both these formulas, just they differ with the sign only. You see, corresponding to plus, we got plus between the real and imaginary parts. Corresponding to minus, we will get minus. Okay. Now let us see one question. Find the square root of minus 8 minus 6 iota. Okay. So given complex number minus 8 minus 6 iota is in the form of a minus iota b. Okay now. So just be clear with the form of given complex number now. A minus iota b. So what is a here? Where a equals to a value minus 8. Okay now, a value minus 8, b value, don't say minus 6. Okay, we have formula for a minus iota b, a minus iota b. So minus goes into formula only, so just b is 6. Okay, most of the people may get confused here. So a value minus 8, b value 6. Now after having a and b, immediately find the root over a square plus b square. So before you go to formula, better to find root over a square plus b square, because it can be used for twice, here as well as here. So let us find root over a square plus b square. Root over a square plus b square is equals to root over a minus 8. Substitute a b value somewhere. A minus 8 whole square plus b 6 square root over minus 8 whole square 64 plus 6 square 36. So root over 64 plus 36 100. Root 100 value 10. So the value of root over a square plus b square I got 10. So after finding root over a square plus b square, now we can move on to formula. So which formula we have to select now? Because the given complex number is in the form of a minus iota b, select this one. Root over a minus iota b formula. So what's the formula we have? Plus or minus root over. Okay. So better to by heart this formula. Write carefully. So many square roots involved na? So don't get confused. Plus a whole divided by 2 minus iota big square root under that small square root a square plus b square minus a whole divided by 2. Okay na? Now after writing formula, now whose square root we are asked to find? Square root of minus 8 minus 6 iota. Minus 8 minus 6 iota equals to, just the thing you have to do is substituting ab value somewhere. Okay, plus or minus same, big square root. Okay, need not to write root over a square plus b square again. Just now we found value of root over a square plus b square as 10. Substitute and don't use square root again. We found the value or the whole value of root over a square plus b square as 10. So 10 plus a a value minus 8 plus minus 8, okay na? Keep bracket, whole divided by 2 minus iota root over, once again root over a square plus b square 10 minus a minus 8, minus of minus 8 whole divided by 2. So now root over minus 8 minus 6 iota is equals to plus or minus root over, you see 10 plus into minus minus 10 minus 8, 10 minus 8 whole divided by 2 minus iota root over 10 minus into minus plus 8 by 2. So this is equals to plus or minus root over 10 minus 8, 10 minus 8 2 by 2, it becomes root over 2 by 2 minus iota into root over 10 plus 8 18 by 2. So now we can write plus or minus 2 gets cancelled, root 1 value known as 1 minus 2 1s are 2 9s are, root 9 value 3 into iota, 3 iota. So your answer would be root over minus 8 minus 6 value plus or minus 1 minus 3 iota. Okay, similarly you can practice these problems. Okay, if you observe this one, minus 5 plus 12 iota is in the form of a plus iota b, a minus 5, b value 12. So use the same procedure, use first formula root over a plus iota. Next, second one also in the form of a plus iota b, a value 7, b value 24. So just a b values changes, formula will be same, so simplification will be same. Next, here a plus iota b, a value 3, b value 4. Here also a plus iota b, a value minus 47, b value 8 root 3. So because of big numbers, okay, be careful regarding simplification part. Okay, so students, you must learn this problem because this is one of the important VSAQ problems. Okay, thank you.